All right, this is case number 20164-776. This is for Transport Incorporated versus For Your Recovery Therapy LLC. Actually versus Michigan Auto Insurance Placement Facility. Your appearance regarding this matter, I did receive a call yesterday requesting an adjournment. Let me get the appearance of the plaintiff in this matter, please.
Eric Noga, P83611, appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Nolan. Good morning to you. Your appearance for defendant in this matter, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'd like to move home on behalf of MAIPF P79890.
All right, thank you, counsel, and good morning to you as well. I know that someone needed to be somewhere else. I thought that this would be a call that resulted in me setting a new date on it. Somebody update. Where are we now?
Yes, Your Honor. That was my assistant yesterday called to try to get an adjournment of the summary disposition hearing. We received plaintiff's response. I think it was filed Thursday. We didn't have a chance to look at it till Friday. We just wanted more time to be able to review the response and reply accordingly. So we were just asking for an adjournment.
All right, and so this is in relationship to the motion for defendant's motion for summary disposition. You're indicating that you received a response to this late last week, and you wanted more time to go over the response. That says Matt Council.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Nolan.
Oh, we have no objection to delaying for a few weeks in order to give the defense proper time to reply.
Ms. Mahone, that you have a particular date or time in mind. I'm looking 2 or 3 weeks out if I've got something that works.
Great. I believe we had discussed doing it for July 13th, if that was possible.
That's not possible.
No.
I'll be away then. And you
Oh,
probably
okay.
this court here and not some fill-in.
July 21st.
July 21st. July 21st. We'll set it on for 10 o'clock a.m.
That works. Thank you, Your Honor.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good day to the two of you.
Thanks, you too.
That's the big file.
Yeah. Thank you.
Said it was at 10 o'clock to 10.
Yes. All right, the court is calling case number 21-67363. This is William Bulman Hospital versus Alicia Kinzer. The matter is before the court, set on for a hearing regarding, well, actually, the court heard this previously regarding objections to a writ of garnishment. I set a subsequent hearing on this matter. Looks like that hearing has reviewed a motion to set aside a default judgment to reflect that the judgment was entered by default in this matter. I'm looking for the register of action. I don't have the exact date, but obviously previous date. Just one moment. Yeah, that judgment was entered the 5th of April. It looks like 2021 for $2,956.57. For William Beaumont, your appearance at this time.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Persky on behalf of Beaumont P63844.
All right, thank you, counsel. Good morning to you, sir. I'm looking now for Alicia Kinzer. If you'll assume, please say something at this time. Ms. Kinzer, if you're on this Zoom, please say something at this time. Alicia Kinzer. Counsel, have you had occasion to speak with the defendant today or at some earlier time regarding this matter, sir?
The only time, Judge, that she has ever called in the office was actually the day she was served, February 19th of 2021. She called my office at 10:17 in the morning and said she was going to be requesting itemizations because she thought insurance would cover the matter, but she never wrote in to request for those documents.
All right, and I did set this matter up for today at 9:45. I also require that the process server be present because the claim within the affidavit on the motion to set aside the default was that the defendant was not served. So the implications are obvious. Do I in fact have the process server present on this Zoom?
Yes, Your Honor. Jason Morrison.
Thank you. Yeah, you jumped over my inquiry. Thank you, Mr. Morrison. That's Jason Morrison, correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So counsel, looks like the defendant is not here to argue on the motion. And of course, the court will deny the motion for that reason. And again, looking at, this is more than a month ago that the court sent out the notice. All right, so the motion to set aside the default will be denied where the defendant has not appeared. The court will note for the record that the process server appeared, and all of this is at the request of the defendant. She has been given the opportunity to test the underlying judgment if she wanted to do so. She has not appeared today in that regard. So the motion will be denied with those notes and caveats at this time. All right.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Morris.
Thank you, Judge.
One moment. That's my note. All right, the court now calls case number 22-180-325. This is Midland Credit Management Company versus AllStar Mitchell. The matter is before the court, set on for I have it noted as a review. I think I previously set it for a status conference or scheduling hearing. Looks like the parties may have been working on trying to get this resolved. Midland Credit, your appearance at this time? Your appearance with Midland Credit Management? Breaking up a bit there. Like your connection might be better. Are you able to hear me okay?
I can hear.
All right, I'm gonna wait for him to call back in. Obviously got disconnected. Looks like I do have Mitchell on this Zoom. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you. State your name if you will.
My name is Alistair Mitchell.
Thank you, Mr. Mitchell, and good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
Just
sir.
one- All right, Mr.
Judge.
Are you there, sir?
I'm here.
All right. Are you, go ahead and give your appearance for the record at this time, sir.
Bag BGP 36820 appearing on plaintiff.
All right. And that's, you broke up a bit, so that's Jay Latif Beg, is that correct?
Correct.
All right, gotcha, counsel. All right, so I adjourned this without setting some dates on it. Mr. Mitchell is also present on this Zoom. Look like we lost. All right, you're back today. All right, you got some connection problems going on. So yeah, I adjourned this previously without setting some dates on it. Was this something that you guys were discussing, trying to figure out a way to resolve this? Somebody update me. Tell me what's going on.
Your Honor, I'm not, I mean, I have settlement authority, but I don't know if Mr. Mitchell is willing to discuss any settlement.
Well, from my standpoint, this is not of my knowledge of having this debt at all. I wasn't even aware that a debt was created from my standpoint. So I didn't sign for anything. I didn't purchase anything from Art Van. So I'm going to assume.
Your Honor, looks he's willing.
Excuse me?
Yes. So Mr. Mitchell is not willing to settle at this time.
No,
I didn't really,
not
I
at
didn't
all.
really hear what you said. All right, that's fine. So Counselor, you're going to bring a motion in this regarding the discovery. What needs to happen? Anybody need any information from the other side on this?
Yes, yes. 60.
All right.
I would like to request all records that you have that support your case that this debt even belongs to me. I would like to see that.
All right, very well. What the court will, I will allow a 60-day period of discovery, open discovery between the parties. A specific request of Mr. Mitchell is any and all documents that support or tend to show that this debt or obligation belongs to him. I order that such documents be turned over to Mr. Mitchell, as that has been a specific request. Mr. Mitchell, you may receive documents or requesting information from you. Sometimes they're called interrogatories, a set of questions. You may also receive documents that are in the nature of a request to admit. You may receive documents requesting a release of information. If you receive any of those kinds of things, you are obligated under the discovery rules to comply and to respond to those items of discovery, I should say, within the time permitted by law. Usually you have 28 days to respond to any information or any request that you may receive. You want to do that promptly. I'm ordering, of course, that due to your specific request, that the documents that you have requested be turned over to you within the next 30 days. Anything else I need to address at this time from either side?
No, Judge, except for time to file dispositive motions.
All right, that information will be contained within the scheduling order that's going to be sent out by the court. The court will set a date now beyond the 60 days upon which you're going to return to court. On that date, when you turn to court, I will entertain any motion that has been filed by either party, dispositive or non-dispositive, so long as you have given at least 10 days for the opposing party to respond. So if you file a motion, notwithstanding the typical court rules, if you file a motion under my order, as long as that motion allows at least 10 days before the hearing for the other party to respond, I will hear the motion on the next date. That date's going to be
September the 2nd.
so just beyond 60 days.
So you're looking like the end of August. Yeah. So end of August is. Yeah, well, you can't afford right there. So September 1st is your earliest. You off that 1 week.
Yeah, I am. All right, September 1st is going to be the earliest date that I can give you. So that'll be your next action date on this matter, September the 1st, and that's going to be 9:45 a.m. Again, you'll receive an order from me allowing discovery for the next 60 days and allowing you to file your motion as long as it gives the other side at least 10 days to respond. I will hear the motion on September 1 at 9:45 a.m. All right. I wish the two of you well. You get an order from me in the mail, and good day to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
The court now is calling for case number 22-18-0900. This is AllPro Limo LLC versus Suburban Mobility Authority. The matter is before the court, set on for a hearing on today's date. Your appearance for AllPro, please.
Your Honor, this is Brian Kingsley appearing on behalf of defendant Smart, P31091. This is an unopposed motion. I've had communication with plaintiff's counsel who indicated that they didn't do a response and they don't oppose transfer of venue. And we have agreed that venue will be transferred to the 41-B District Court in Clinton Township, that plaintiff will be responsible for payment of the transfer fee, and that we are not seeking any sanctions as a result of having to file this motion.
All right, I do see the motion and on the representations of counsel as set forth on this record, that is Mr. Kingsley. I will grant the unopposed motion for change of venue under the terms set forth on this record. Counsel, are you going to submit an order in that regard, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. And can I still email it?
Yes, and that's why I'm going to make sure you have the email address where you can get it directly to me. That email address is Latifah, LATIFAH .Hunter, last name Hunter, HUNTER, at 3636th 36districtcourt.org.
Yes, Your Honor. I have that from a previous case. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you
All
very
right,
much,
well,
Your Honor. Have a good day.
Good day to you, sir. And I know I saw Miss Washington here.
Nice.
I think they really have a problem with staff.
Huh?
I mean, they really have a problem with
Yeah,
staff.
they do. What's going on? Like, can't get nobody to kick it anyone. Let me see.